Hi everyone, my name is Makoto. Welcome to KOBELCO's new European headquarters. Here, daily collaboration between team members fuels innovation. With our new warehouse management system, including cutting-edge automatic sorting system, we ensure spare parts are delivered efficiently as quickly as possible. The Tech Center is another way we support our dealers and customers. First, with technical and sales trainings, but also this is where we do European-specific customization projects. We also have a showroom where we can host our customers directly to showcase our new machines. Our facility is designed to encourage connection and collaboration at every level. At the heart of our space is a testing ground surrounded by the office, warehouse, and tech center. This design layout ensures that everyone, whether our employee or visiting customer, can see the machines in action. It encourages team spirit, product and brand engagement, and a strong sense of shared purpose. KOBELCO reaffirms its commitment to Europe. By investing further in Europe, we are strengthening our brand presence and its customer engagement, and building a sustainable future together.